आज आप सोच रहे होंगे वे श्रद्धा सो इट्स मी अनदर मुंबईकर इन जर्मनी
From Hubli, Karnataka, and I'm doing my master's in data science.
And I'm pursuing mechanical engineering and management.
आई एम फ्रॉम मैसूर
जर्मनी आने के बाद तुमको ऐसे लगा कि ये चीज़ तुमको पहले पता होनी चाहिए थी
या
आज कल यूट्यूब पे एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स एकदम सच सच बताना व्हाट आर द थिंग्स आफ्टर अराइवल एज अ स्टूडेंट क्या करना पड़ता है क्या रिगार्डिंग द अनमेल्डिंग सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन कब किया तुमने ऐसे क्या चीज़ें थी जो इंडिया से यहाँ पे डिफरेंट लगी तुमको
Daddy, we were just talking and our neighbors used to get so irritated. We have got
cost of living here like a rough amount basically they're having part time jobs
हेलो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज आप सोच रहे होंगे वे श्रद्धा सो इट्स मी अनदर मुंबईकर इन जर्मनी
what an opening welcome another Mumbai girl
हाय गाइस।
सो गाइज आज का वीडियो होने वाला है यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं रिगार्डिंग स्टडी इन जर्मनी कि क्या करना है बट इस वीडियो में हम लोग अलग करने वाले हैं बिकॉज वी विल आस्क देम टू टेल अबाउट द रियलिटी वो लोग यहाँ आने के बाद क्या उन लोगों ने किया फर्स्ट थिंग्स या व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रियलिटी योर सो फर्स्टली गाइज कैसे शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन तुम लोग कहाँ
आई एम pursuing my masters in data science here in UHH.
I'm from Hubli, Karnataka, and I'm doing my master's in data science.
Hello guys, I'm from Gadag and I'm pursuing mechanical engineering and management and I'm about to complete my studies in this September, hopefully.
I am from Mysore, doing my masters in electrical engineering and information technology.
तो गाइज ये लोग सब लोग अक्टूबर में आए हैं और एक्सेप्ट फॉर मी स्पेशल एपियरेंस है गेस्ट एपियरेंस आने नहीं वाला था भाई आया थैंक यू सो मच सो गाइज ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जर्मनी आने के बाद तुमको ऐसे लगा कि ये चीज़ तुमको पहले पता होनी चाहिए थी
Yeah, I would say immediately when you get your admit, start applying for student dorms. Because other accommodations, if you start searching for private apartments or things like that, they're very expensive, especially like cities like Hamburg, Berlin, and everything. So prefer student dorms, and they have a long waiting list. It usually takes a year or more.
Yeah, I mean, my biggest concern before coming here to Germany was obviously the cold because I came in winter semester. Usually drops till minus some degrees. And but to be very honest, here healthcare is really nice. I mean, the public health care for which we pay, they provide the best service. I feel like. So yeah, you don't have to worry about hospitals or anything. But yeah, one thing after coming here in Germany, immediately register yourself for Hausarzt, which is like house doctor or something.
family
Yeah, family doctor. Because if you have in any emergency and you go in emergency ward in any hospital, they'll probably ask you for an Hausarzt. So
for the new students or the upcoming students can you please guide like what are the things after arrival as a student क्या करना पड़ता है क्या क्या
First thing, you'll have to do city registration. Once you have city registration done, you'll have to go to a bank, ask your seniors which bank is good. Usually it's Sparkasse here, and then Sparkasse and which other bank?
Deutsche and Commerce banks are also
Bank,
there.
Yeah. And then activate your block account, expatriate your Oracle or whichever bank account, block account you have.
With the block account activation, usually the health insurance also gets activated if you have taken that package, which is actually very best, I feel like. Then SIM card. Without city registration, we'll not have a SIM card because with city registration we get a tax ID. So yeah.
first thing regarding the unmeldung city registration कब किया तुमने when did you do that like immediately after coming the first month
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing with city registration is you don't get an appointment. So what we used to do is early morning we used to get up, I think 6-7 o'clock. We used to check, and the same day we used to get appointment. So I think we tried it twice or something, and we got lucky and we got an appointment on the same day.
oh that's nice
Yeah.
so yeah
that's
that's
a,
कोई
that's a
what
tip
that's
actually.
a tip
Before coming to Germany, usually people book it from India itself and they get it like for after 1 month. But yeah, we did it after coming here. Morning 6 o'clock, just get up sir, look for an appointment and yeah, you'll get it.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a
That's really a nice tip,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you so much. University से related, you don't have to do anything because everything is online, right?
Most of the universities in Germany don't follow that. You have to be in person here to enroll yourself.
Okay.
So, but that is one advantage in TUHS, that you can enroll yourself online. And that's a good flexibility, I would say.
So, Hamburg में गर्मी बहुत है. First day in Hamburg, 30 degrees. Yeah, you're enjoying the summer, guys. So nice. So guys, मुझे next question ये पूछना है. So आजकल YouTube पे and all these things information, there are a lot of information. I remember जब मैं आई थी 2019 में, there were not that much in YouTubers, you know. एकदम सच बताना. Were these YouTube videos helpful?
To an extent, yes, it will be helpful because it'll. Yeah, some things you don't need to know, but then if you know, it's an advantage. But then very important is that you stay connected with some of your seniors who are already here. That is very important. So it's so that you know it's something specific to this city as well as this university. Then it's definitely going to help you. Then you'll get to know a lot of things which even the YouTube doesn't cover. But then YouTube is important because that is the first thing we did. As soon as we decided that we have to come to Germany, you should either go to Instagram and search for an influencer, or you go to YouTube and then we've seen your videos a lot.
Thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much. Yeah. So ये लोग मेरे को रोस्ट नहीं कर रहे, influencers को रोस्ट नहीं कर रहे.
Say ISA culture, we call it Indian Student Association culture, and they have very good culture here where they go and pick up every Indian student who's coming. They voluntarily do that. And that's very helpful. They drop you till your doorstep.
yeah.
So
I know
it's
the
really
body. They are
helpful.
really
Yeah.
doing nice things. Huh? Free of cost. Okay. So ISA वालों जिनके साथ वीडियो हम लोगों ने किए थे, you're doing good job, guys. Thank you. क्या ऐसा कल्चरल शॉक तो नहीं मैं बोलूँगी, बट ऐसे क्या चीज़ें थी जो इंडिया से यहाँ पे डिफरेंट लगी तुमको?
A lot of things.
Yeah, I think the shops and everything are closed after 8 o'clock. But then after a long day in India, back in India, you used to go out at night so that you can chill out a little bit. But here it gets shut down, so you can't chill out late
हमें
evenings.
आदत नहीं है इतना जल्दी सोने की.
Exactly.
And Sundays also, it's closed. Everything is closed like on Sundays. Usually in India we go out on Sunday because it's a holiday. So yeah, that's one shocking thing after coming here. And what else?
संडे को ऐसा था कि वो मॉल वाला दिन होता है, बाहर जाके खाओ यार कुछ तो.
And there's one more thing. After 9 or something, you are not supposed to make noise. Your neighbors will get irritated, so you have to be very careful. And we Indians are kind of little loud for Germany, I would say. Yeah, thoda.
Even if we talk, it's like, oh my god, we're playing a loud music. It seems, but
So in India, even if you are a big fan of playing loud music and everything, I think after 9 o'clock you can't, and you can't have
to
that
be so
nightlife
careful.
at your home.
बट ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंस हुआ था तुम लोगों ने अभी मुझे बोला, क्या हुआ था? तुम लोगों ने कुछ प्ले किया था loudly?
Daddy, we were just talking, and our neighbors used to get so irritated. We have got like 2-3 mails telling guys.
like we were not playing music or something. We were just talking loudly. We were laughing. we don't know. Like we were so loud, but they were disturbed by it.
So guys, आते आते ही हुआ इनके साथ ये किस्सा. Be prepared.
Sometimes, I mean, it depends. Our building had like false walls and no soundproof walls, so the house could hear it when we were
I
laughing
think ना ये
loudly.
सब जगह पे है यार जर्मनी. I have to tell you, like मेरी neighbor है जो ओमा, she is like a granny ना, she like ओमा को granny बोलते हैं, right? Yeah, my ओमा. So अगर मेरे घर से ना कुछ भी चार्जर या कुछ भी गिरता भी है ना, तो भी वो नीचे से उसको सुनाई देता है.
Remember one of my friend telling she had a shift or something, whole day night shift. She came home, she was taking bath, and landlord calls her telling, "What are you doing now? Why are you taking a bath at this time?"
Water का आवाज also
they can't
Even like washing machines and everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Dishwashers,
insane.
washing machine, you cannot switch it on.
So let's remember that.
Yeah.
चलो आगे चलते हैं. Reality क्या है यहाँ पे और versus expectations. और बड़ा question पूछूं तो.
Yeah, okay. I think with the studies, the study culture is very different here. Like the examination and all. very different. So you should do your homework, I would say. You should know your course well, your modules. Make sure some prerequisites, which is also important. I mean, some subjects need, I mean, application-based subjects need some good background. So you need to strengthen your fundamentals and core.
Studies in India is really different than here. So we'll take at least one semester to get used to the masters with what we are doing here.
Not all the subjects are offered in winter or summer. So you have to plan your course, I would say, properly before you come here. See your coursework, and everything is there in your model, your handbook and everything. So yeah.
What is the cost of living here? Like a rough amount basically. Monthly कितना लगता है as a student?
Okay, so as a student, obviously blocked accounts you will get 992 euros every month. Roughly for Hamburg, I am telling, I feel like we spend 600 to 700, including the rent, health insurance, groceries, our expenses, SIM card and everything.
Yeah.
So 600 to 700.
Yeah, again, if you have a student dorm or something, your rents will be a little lower. But if you're staying in an apartment or something, shared apartment, I think it'll be a little expensive for you guys.
Yeah, it goes to 500, na?
Yeah.
Shared apartments.
Yeah.
500 to 600.
If you have a single room, then 500, 600 would be your rent. But student dorms, it is almost like half. 350, somewhere there, around.
800, I would say.
Yeah.
700 would be.
For Hamburg, we are
For
selling
bigger
like this,
cities, for bigger cities, I would say 800.
maybe
to
in a
eight.
But if you guys are having part-time jobs, are you already having?
Yes. And this is one more advice I would say, what we didn't do. Immediately when you're here or back from India only, ask your seniors for the links and everything and start applying for part-time as well. People who are coming in winter, they need a lot of labours here during the winter time. So there's a lot of hiring during that time. So start applying that time. I mean, before you come or immediately when you're here.
So guys, that's all from today's video. और thank you so much guys for taking your time, especially on such a sunny day in Hamburg. तुम लोगों ने इतना time दिया. It was really fun meeting you all. So lastly, कुछ advice देना है students को, especially from this person, special guest.
Okay, so whatever questions you have or whatever confusions you are facing, just take a leap of faith and walk in. If you want to select TVHH or any other universities in Germany, it's fine. You just select your course, what dreams you have, achieve it. And by the way, if you join over here, of course, meet us. Thank you.
So guys, that's all from today. और अगर आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा, do not forget to give that big like to our video and like, share and subscribe. See, outfit is in, na? Yeah. Outfit is in.